Hey guys, got a 2019 plate Hyundai Tucson here. Just going to show you how to turn on and off the automatic emergency brake on this one. So on this one, we're going to make sure the ignition is turned on, and we're going to use these buttons on the right hand side of the steering wheel and then the dash in front of the steering wheel. Now from here, you want to press the menu button and keep pressing until you get to the settings icon. Then you want to go to driver assistance, press OK. Then scroll down to FCA, forward collision avoidance. Now this is when a car brakes in front of you and you don't realise and you don't brake in time, it will brake for you. If you want that on, press OK on the box to tick it. If you want it off, press OK on the box to untick. And when it's unticked, you'll have the orange symbol there to notify you that it's off.